Hey everyone, this is Trend70. Today, I got Bachmann Thomas Werewolf Personnel off of eBay, and it just came in the mail today. So here's the front and the back of it. Here shows some other Bachmann Thomas figures available to buy. And now, let's unbox it. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna sit on here. Here we have a driver, with his mustache, a driver with his glasses, a black driver, and the Singer Man. Let's take a look at them. Here we have a driver man with his mustache, a driver man with his glasses, a black driver and a Singer Man. So, what do you think of them? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.